Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back to the channel. We are out in the garden once again today and we are going to be picking a cut flower arrangement. Now it's spring, the flowers are in full bloom, and I really want to focus on something that's kind of soft pastel and pink. Luckily we have plenty of flowers to fit that kind of criteria. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look around and find some ranunculus. This year I have these lovely white ranunculus that you guys have already seen, and I'm going to pick a bunch of these. Now these are looking really great right now. The aphids are gone. They are nice and full and ruffly. The blooms are nice and tight because the weather still is a little bit cool. These will look a little bit worse once the weather has warmed up, but for now they are perfect. I'm going to pick a bunch of those. I'm also going to look around and pick some really nice Icelandic poppies. Now the Icelandic poppies I'm going to pick for this video, I'm going to pick the white colors and the kind of peachy champagne colors. These peachy champagne colors are so just beautiful and gorgeous. I think if I got to play in the garden again next year, I would just plant a whole row of these if I had the room for it. They are so pretty. In addition to the poppies and the ranunculus, I'm also going to grab some double peony tulips or double late tulips. This variety is called Angelique. Angelique is one of my absolute favorites. It's a later tulip, so it does bloom at the same time as these other flowers, which is very nice in bouquets. It starts off a really white color, and then as it gets older, it turns this really lovely pinkish, light pink shade that is just so dreamy looking in a vase. Once I've gathered all my flowers, I'm just going to begin arranging them in a vase. To finish this one off, I just added a couple of mulberry branches and some fresh mint, and I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. That's really about it for this video. I hope that you like it. If you did, be sure to subscribe. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys.